Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
We in that motherfucking geek shit, boy.
Come through swinging that stick, 4-5, got bun, ain't got no kick. 7-6-2 for the mall and shit, man, down.
What the f***?
Mine ain't cop no bricks, man, down, boys, down. We going in here spinning 50 and trying to catch me a big. Let me out on arms, gotta take me a piss. Let's spin through the fire, ain't no bitch.
Alright, y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little smooth video. This is a different type of video, you feel me? It's still a POV, but today we're not driving the sexy scat pack. We're driving the motherfucking 540.
The fastest 540 in North Carolina. The H2 Plus, TU Pump, E40, XHP, fastest shit in fucking South Carolina. South Carolina, North Carolina, the world, nigga.
Yeah, see, all I know is SRT, so I don't know what he said. But yeah, we finna be cutting up in this motherfucker. We finna be cutting up in this motherfucker. We going 140 the whole way. We got my boy Price, and we got my boy DJ too. They finna accompany us to the gas station real quick. We gotta go put some more E in this motherfucker, and I gotta get some gas too. But shit, I'll catch y'all boys in the car.
Yeah, you tell me you hate me, shut the fuck up. Yeah, girl, I hate you too. Bro got stick, it's not bamboo. Why the fuck these niggas keep calling my phone saying you ran through? I done put my
motherfucker feel like a spaceship. I'm so used to hearing nothing but super loud V8, you feel me? American muscle. This shit feel like a fucking spaceship right now, bro. Just a silent assassin. These downshifts tough too, I ain't gonna lie. That nigga Price headlights bright as fuck. Downshift real quick. Yo, I hear my car behind just screaming, bro. This what it be sounding like? Get hawked down by a scat pack. Yo, this shit get up, bro. Niggas is dogging the bitches back there, damn. I fuck with these burbles, bruh. Price headlights is bright as shit, dog. Let me stop pat-patting. Niggas is back there dogging the bitches, bruh. I can't do too much yet till we on that highway. That nigga back there enjoying the fuck out my shit. I fuck with the all-around ambient lighting, bruh. Them niggas is back there hitting that shit, dog. That's what my car be sounding like. What the fuck? I'm gonna get y'all a quick little pull real quick. That shit, boy, that shit get up quick, quiet as hell, bruh. And you really don't know. Like, bro, looking at this car on the outside, you wouldn't be able to tell this bitch, you know what I'm saying, oh, damn near 600 horsepower. Like, that shit's kind of crazy to me. Let's see what this 0 to 60 time out. Whoa, nigga, before I even look back, nigga, we was at 65, what the fuck? Them motherfucker get up there, boy. Them motherfucker get up there, boy. We might have to go to chasing this motherfucker. Man, that shit crazy. Them motherfuckers get up there real quick. Damn, nigga. This shit 0 to 60 in 0.5 seconds. What the fuck? And I promise you, I didn't even fully mash the gas, bruh. Like, what the hell, bruh? This road's so damn dark, but when we get on the highway, it's gonna brighten up. Now, comment down below if I need to switch to BMW, bruh. I'll give me an M4 comp. X-Drive, motherfucker. Or maybe an M3, I ain't gonna lie, M3 comp. This motherfucker get up there, bruh. This shit crazy. This shit really put you back in your seat. Bruh, it's like the car, like, bruh, as soon as them turbos kick in, bruh, this shit get deadly, bruh. This shit kind of crazy. my shit downshifted all the way from up here. The fuck? Finna see what that highway work time out. Need somebody line this motherfucker up real quick. Let's test that bitch out. Nigga Price ducking. Bro, what the fuck? Give me superpowers on the highway. What the fuck? Ah, shit, it's a Rango. We don't know if that's 12 or not. We gotta check out the scenery. But we not in no geek. We not in no hot shit. You feel me? We ain't in no SRT, so this nigga ain't gonna be looking at us. It say something on the back. Mary Kay. I don't know, but it ain't no cop. Motherfucker get up there, boy. Now, I was gonna hit that shit, but I ain't doing too much in another nigga car, you feel me? Like, it's crazy, bro. I feel super glued to the road, you feel me? This all-wheel drive shit is beautiful. I don't know what it is. He don't want to work though. Nah, this shit feel crazy, bro. What the fuck? Where them niggas went, but it don't matter. We in that motherfucking geek shit, boy. Fastest stock turbo 540 in North America. Oh, I see my car behind me. I see that motherfucking SRT light. Look at that shit look pretty. It's a fucking slingshot, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's a scary car to drive on the highway, man. Yo, this bitch get up, bro. What the fuck? I don't feel nothing, bro. Let me roll the windows though. I know this shit loud as hell. But like, bro, when I tell you I don't feel nothing, bro, this shit drive too fucking smooth. You can't even tell you going 120, bro. I just feel like you driving at a slightly faster rate. You feel like you on 80. What the fuck? This shit feels smooth as fuck. Nah, this BMW shit different, bro. This shit wicked. fuck, bruh? This shit something else. Let a cop get behind, nigga. Let a cop get behind. You know what I'm doing, nigga? We take it off, nigga. That's a stolen Beamer. Yo, this nigga DJ dangerous as fuck, bruh. Niggas about to miss the exit. Nah, that shit crazy, boy. What the fuck? This shit crazy, boy. This shit so different, but this shit, niggas is dogging, niggas is dogging. This shit something different, bruh. Yes, nigga. Literally, bruh. This shit's. Niggas is dogging, bro. What the? Damn, I got some in my fucking eye. I got some dead debris in my eye. What the fuck? That's a CTSV? What? Shit was tough as hell. I just feel glued to the road, bro. This shit something else. Oh shit, that's a 540 right there too. That shit something else, bruh. I'm like, nigga, I'm hitting it. It'll be like, like what the fuck? As soon as them turbos kick in.
Shuffle had the best shuffle of music, nigga. The whole time.
Bro, what the fuck wrong with it? But shit, alright, y'all boys. This is a quick little video, you feel me? I had to steal a 540 real quick. Comment down below if I should get me a BMW. Y'all boys comment down below if I should get me a BMW next. BMW or a Hellcat. Do I get a Hellcat wide body or an M4 or M3 comp? Which one? But shit, I'll catch y'all boys in the next video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like the video, you feel me? I'll catch y'all boys.
Hey man, me a monster. His homie saying he worried about me taking the pills too much. His brother OD when nobody was looking, he missing that nigga a bunch. Whoever thought he'd be rapping, he used